Hello student of class 12. Now I am going to discuss your new chapter binary operation. First we have to know what is binary operation. We know bi means 2. Binary operation occurs in between two elements and operation means plus, minus, into, division, etc. Okay. Now I will go to the definition of binary operation. Let S be a non-empty set. Then a binary operation is a function from S to S into S. That is, symbolically we can write it function such that from S cross S to S. A binary operation assigns the definite element of S to each ordered pair AB belongs to S cross S. This is the definition. From the definition it is evident that a binary operation is a rule of correspondence which assigns to each ordered pair, that is AB belongs to S cross A definite element A belongs to S. Okay. These symbols used to denote the operation. This is binary operation. This is one binary operation. This is another binary operation. This is one binary operation. This is another binary operation. This is binary operation. This is binary operation. This is intersection. This is union. This is LCM. This is a one type of binary operation. HCF. This is also another type of binary operation, etc. I generally use these operations for binary operation. That means a binary operation, I can tell generally this notation. Generally use this notation on a non-empty set S is a rule which associates each ordered pair AB belongs to S cross S to a definite element A operation B belongs to S. That means mathematically we have to prove if it is told that A operation B equal to A plus B minus AB. It could be anything. It could be anything. That is, this is equal to AB by 4, or this is equal to A plus B plus AB, or anything. HCF of AB. It could be anything. Whatever may be, if I prove if A operation B, that is A plus B minus AB, for all AB belongs to S, A plus B minus AB belongs to S. For all AB belongs to S, A cross B also belongs to S. Here it is given A cross B equal to S. For all AB belongs to S, if I can say A operation B equal to A plus B minus AB belongs to S, so I can tell this operation is an binary operation. Okay, I am ending here. The next portion will come in next video.